Question 1. The Dibang Valley district, one of the largest districts of India by area, is located in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Uttarakhand, D. Sikkim. Answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 2. The Phang Pui Blue Mountain, the highest peak of Mizoram, is located in which range? A. Lushai Hills, B. Patkai Range, C. Garo Hills, D. Mizo Plateau. Answer is A. Lushai Hills. Question 3. The Lonar Lake, formed by a meteorite impact, is located in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Gujarat, D. Rajasthan. Answer is B. Maharashtra. Question 4. The Seshachalam Hills are part of which mountain system? A. Eastern Ghats, B. Western Ghats, C. Vindhya Range, D. Satpura Range. Answer is A. Eastern Ghats. Question 5. The Garo, Khasi and Jaintia Hills together form which plateau? A. Chota Nagpur Plateau, B. Meghalaya Plateau, C. Karbi Plateau, D. Deccan Plateau. Answer is B. Meghalaya Plateau. Question 6. The Banni grasslands are located in which state? A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Haryana, D. Punjab. Answer is B. Gujarat. Question 7. The Brahmaputra enters India through which district of Arunachal Pradesh? A. Tawang, B. Siang, C. Lohit, D. Dibang. Answer is B. Siang. Question 8. The Pench National Park is located between which two states? A. Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, B. Gujarat and Rajasthan, C. Odisha and Jharkhand, D. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Answer is A. Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Question 9. The Chilka Lake is an example of which type of lake? A. Tectonic, B. Crater, C. Lagoon, D. Oxbow. Answer is C. Lagoon. Question 10. The Nallamala Hills are spread across which two states mainly? A. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, B. Tamil Nadu and Kerala, C. Karnataka and Goa, D. Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Answer is A. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Question 11. The Kudremukh Peak is located in which state? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Goa. Answer is C. Karnataka. Question 12. The Duars region is mainly associated with which state? A. Assam, B. West Bengal, C. Meghalaya, D. Sikkim. Answer is B. West Bengal. Question 13. The Run of Kutch is mainly formed due to A. Volcanic activity, B. Marine transgression, C. Glacial erosion, D. River deposition. Answer is B. Marine transgression. Question 14. The Malwa Plateau is primarily located in which state? A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. Question 15. The Sundarbans Delta is formed by which rivers mainly? A. Mahanadi and Godavari, B. Ganga and Brahmaputra, C. Narmada and Tapi, D. Krishna and Kaveri. Answer is B. Ganga and Brahmaputra. Question 16. The Guru Shikhar, highest peak of Rajasthan, is located in which range? A. Aravali, B. Vindhya, C. Satpura, D. Western Ghats. Answer is A. Aravali. Question 17. The Sharavati River forms which famous waterfall? A. Jog Falls, B. Dhuadhar Falls, C. Athirapalli Falls, D. Hogenakal Falls. Answer is A. Jog Falls. Question 18. The Chota Nagpur Plateau spreads mainly across which two states? A. Jharkhand and Odisha, B. Jharkhand and Bihar, C. Odisha and West Bengal, D. Jharkhand and West Bengal. Answer is A. Jharkhand and Odisha. Question 19. The Cable Lamjao National Park is located in which state? A. Manipur, B. Mizoram, C. Assam, D. Tripura. Answer is A. Manipur. Question 20. The park strait separates which two states? A. Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka, B. Kerala and Sri Lanka, C. Andhra Pradesh and Sri Lanka, D. Karnataka and Sri Lanka. Answer is A. Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka. Question 21. The Chambal River flows through which three states? A. MP, UP, Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, MP, Rajasthan, C. UP, Bihar, MP, D. Haryana, UP, Rajasthan. Answer is A. MP, UP, Rajasthan. Question 22. The Tehri Dam is located on which river? A. Yamuna, B. Bhagirathi, C. Alaknanda, D. Mandakini. Answer is B. Bhagirathi. Question 23. The Bareil Range is located mainly in which state? A. Nagaland, B. Assam, C. Manipur, D. Mizoram. Answer is B. Assam. Question 24. The Daman and Diu region lies along which coast? A. Coromandel, B. Konkan, C. Malabar, D. Northern Sircars. Answer is B. Konkan. Question 25. The Satpura range acts as a watershed between which rivers? A. Narmada and Tapi, B. Godavari and Krishna, C. Mahanadi and Narmada, D. Ganga and Yamuna. Answer is A. Narmada and Tapi. Question 26. The Koleru Lake is situated between which two rivers? A. Krishna and Godavari, B. Mahanadi and Godavari, C. Krishna and Kaveri, D. Narmada and Tapi. Answer is A. Krishna and Godavari. Question 27. The Biligiri Rangan Hills are located at the junction of which two ranges? A. Eastern and Western Ghats, B. Vindhya and Satpura, C. Aravali and Vindhya, D. Patkai and Naga Hills. Answer is A. Eastern and Western Ghats. Question 28. The Namdapha National Park is located in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Manipur, D. Nagaland. Answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 29. The Mahi River flows through which two states before entering Gujarat? A. Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, B. MP and UP, C. Rajasthan and Haryana, D. MP and Chhattisgarh. Answer is A. Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Question 30. The Pulicat Lake is shared by which two states? A. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, B. Kerala and Tamil Nadu, C. Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, D. Karnataka and Kerala. Answer is A. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Question 31. The Michael Range is an extension of which mountain range? A. Vindhya, B. Satpura, C. Aravali, D. Western Ghats. Answer is B. Satpura. Question 32. The Talakaveri is located in which state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer is C. Karnataka. Question 33. The Subansiri River is a tributary of which river? A. Teesta, B. Brahmaputra, C. Ganga, D. Barak. Answer is B. Brahmaputra. Question 34. The Hirakund Dam is built across which river? A. Mahanadi, B. Godavari, C. Krishna, D. Tapi. Answer is A. Mahanadi. Question 35. The Kaimur Range is an extension of which range? A. Vindhya, B. Satpura, C. Aravali, D. Western Ghats. Answer is B. Satpura. Question 36. The Zaku Valley lies on the border of which two states? A. Nagaland and Manipur. B. Assam and Nagaland. C. Manipur and Mizoram. D. Meghalaya and Assam. Answer is A. Nagaland and Manipur. Question 37. The Bhakra Nangal Dam is located on which river? A. Beas. B. Ravi. C. Satluj. D. Chenab. Answer is C. Satluj. Question 38. The Betla National Park is located in which state? A. Jharkhand. B. Bihar. C. Odisha. D. Chhattisgarh. Answer is A. Jharkhand. Question 39. The Kaladan River originates in which state? A. Mizoram. B. Manipur. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Tripura. Answer B. Manipur. Question 40. The Cherrapunji is located on which plateau? A. Meghalaya Plateau. B. Deccan Plateau. C. Chota Nagpur Plateau. D. Karbi Plateau. Answer A. Meghalaya Plateau. Question 41. The Nubra Valley lies in which union territory? A. Ladakh. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Uttarakhand. Answer A. Ladakh. Question 42. The Ghataprabha River is a tributary of which river? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Narmada. D. Tapi. Answer A. Krishna. Question 43. The Desert National Park is located in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Haryana. D. Punjab. Answer B. Rajasthan. Question 44. The Mulla Periyar Dam is located in which state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer B. Kerala. Question 46. The Siachen Glacier is located in which mountain range? A. Zanskar. B. Karakoram. C. Pir Panjal. D. Ladakh Range. Answer B. Karakoram. Question 47. The Indravati River is a major tributary of which river? A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Mahanadi. D. Narmada. Answer A. Godavari. Question 48. The Lakshadweep Islands are located in which sea? A. Bay of Bengal. B. Arabian Sea. C. Andaman Sea. D. Laccadive Sea. Answer B. Arabian Sea. Question 49. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are separated by which channel? A. Park Strait. B. 10-degree channel. C. 8-degree channel. D. Duncan Passage. Answer B. 10-degree channel. Question 50. The Karakoram Pass connects India with which country? A. Nepal. B. Bhutan. C. China. D. Pakistan. Answer C. China.